Okay, we're going to have a look at dividing algebraic expressions now. Okay, so the first one, we have a denominator is a factor of each term in the numerator. So what we have here is we have 6x cubed minus 8x squared y plus 4xy squared plus 2x squared, and that's all divided by 2x. Now, each of these individually can be divided by 2x. So that means we can divide 6x squared, 6x squared by 2x. I can divide minus 8x squared y by 2x. I can divide 4xy squared by 2x. And I can divide 2x squared by 2x. Okay, what is going on here? Never mind that. Okay, so I divide 6 divided by 2 is 3. X cubed divided by x is x squared. 8 divided by 2 is 4. X squared divided by x is x. And you can't divide the y, so you just write it down. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. X divided by x, they divide out. And you're left with y squared. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. And x squared divided by x is x. Okay. Now this time we have a trinomial on top and a linear equation on the bottom. So what do? We factorize this first. So our 6x squared minus 5xy plus y squared can be factorized. Okay, so we factorize this. Remember, how do we factorize it? You multiply 6x squared by y squared. And then you get 6x squared y squared, and you want factors of 6x squared y squared that will add up to give you 5xy, and that's going to be, what is it? It's going to be 3xy and 2xy, and then you're going to, and then once you've that done, you can factorize by grouping, and you get 3x plus y multiplied by 2x plus y, all divided by 2xy, 2x plus y. So your common factor, go back over there, your common factor divides out, and you're left with 3x plus y. Then, this one here, the denominator divides into the numerator using long division. Okay, so here we're using our algebraic long division. So, remember, how do we do our algebraic long division? We write our 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 10x minus 3. You write that there. Your denominator goes on the outside and you draw your line. Remember, the first goes into the first and the answer on top. So that's x goes into 2x cubed, 2x squared times. Now I have to multiply 2x squared by everything. So 2x squared by x is 2x cubed, and 2x squared by minus 3 is minus 6x. I draw a line, change the signs and add them up, or just, which is the same as subtracting. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, nothing, it's gone. And then I have minus 9x squared minus 6x squared. Sorry, that'll be plus 6x squared when we change the sign, and that gives us minus 3x squared. I take down the rest of the equation and I start again. X goes into minus 3x squared minus 3x times minus 3x by x minus 3x squared minus 3x by minus 3 is plus 9. I draw a line, I change the signs. Let's see, can I change the signs here and add them up? Let's see, is there a, draw here, so if I draw, draw. Okay, yes, I picked that color. Okay, and that size. Okay, so then that becomes a plus, no, it's not going to let me write. No, not going to let me write in it anyway. It's going to be, that becomes a plus 3x squared and a minus 9x squared, or minus 9x, and you add those up and you get x minus 3, and then you start again. X goes into x minus 3 once. 1 times x minus 1 times x is x, 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. Draw a line, change the sign and add them up, and you're finished and you get this. Okay. Now, once you have your algebraic long division revised and look over it, once you've that done, you can then continue with questions 20 to 26.